back to the Adjunct's Kitchen. We make affordable, easy to prepare, and delicious meals for you part-time cooks and for your full-time eaters. My name's Chad Seeger, and today we're going to be making one of the world's most versatile and popular salad dressings and marinades, creamy balsamic vinaigrette. To make this dish, get yourself some really good balsamic vinegar and extra virgin olive oil. Red onion, basil, salt, and pepper complete the dish, and then you can always add oregano and garlic. Steps to making this dish are to prep your ingredients and then combine them in a mini food processor. Puree them to mix the ingredients all together. To get started on this dish, we're going to have to prep. Fortunately, there's not a lot of prep to do. So start with dicing the onions, and then shred your basil. Once your ingredients are prepped, there's a couple different ways to proceed. One, you can put them in the bowl and use an immersion blender, but I'm going to use one of these mini food processors. Combine all the ingredients into the chamber. We screw on the lid, activate the processor, will making your own salad dressing help you eat more salad? I don't know, but it will make them more delicious. Well, thanks everybody for watching. Hope you enjoyed this episode. If you have any questions or requests for other dishes, leave them in the comment section below. Like and subscribe if you like what you saw, and I'll see you on the next Adjunct's Kitchen.